What's going on, YouTube? Today we have a 2002 Nissan Xterra and we are changing the spark plugs. So, first thing you're gonna want to do is pull out the spark plug bolt. We're changing this one right here. Once you pull it out, you are gonna need a spark plug socket, 5A or 16 millimeter, and then you're gonna insert it in there, and you're gonna start loosing. Alright, so we cracked 1, 2, 3. Now we're on to the next one. Okay, we got number 6 is gonna be the most annoying one. It's all the way back here. But we have a special socket. It's gonna help us. Alright, so you can use the spark plug to pull them out. So as you can see, these were cooked. Okay, we had a lot of issues with this car, and you know, once your car is running bad, it really messes up your spark plug.